Hello London View Dill viewers, today we're making a soft kulal puttu. Before we start the video, considering join the LVD army today by subscribing to our channel. Like this video and comment any feedback about the recipe or suggest any video ideas you want to see and we'll make them happen in the future. Still tune or more upcoming videos. Anyway, on with the video. 2 cups of steamed wheat flour. 1 cup of dry roasted red rice flour. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of hot water. 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Mix all ingredients evenly well, then spread a little bit of hot water, then use your hand to stir the dough until you get a puttu consistency, then use a puttu mold or shape the mixed dough into puttu shape, then finally steam cook the puttu. Steam cooking. Subscribe to our channel at London View Dill on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share this video and subscribe to London View Dill on YouTube.